welcome back to Taylor Made Natural, where all things are natural. Today we're gonna be making some gel, hair gel for our hair. And guess what? It's only one ingredient. Bam, so we finna jump right into it. This one ingredient that you're gonna need is not hard to find. If you have an Aldi by your house, pick up a bag of flax seeds. You see the bag, whole flax seeds. They look like this. Hold on, let me get it nice, clear. No, you're gonna get clear, hold on. Get clear, oh, okay, there we go, focus. Yep, they look like this. So you don't wanna get the ones that's already grounded up or the ones that's roasted, because Aldi does have different kinds. Get you some flax seeds, and the only other thing you need is gonna be water and a pot to boil it in. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, when it comes to making flaxseed, it's really simple and easy, and there's no measurements really. Okay, so I have a pot of water here. See, it's not that much in there. And what I like to do when boiling anything in general is do half and half. So I'm probably gonna just pour enough to fill the bottom of this, and then we're gonna start boiling our pot. All right, we got our fire on high heat right now. Once it starts boiling, then you'll be able to lower the heat a little bit and just let it boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back when that process is over with, okay? Okay, my people, this is what it should look like. This is what it should look like. I've been stirring to make sure nothing is sticking at the bottom. And what you're looking for is that little right there that look like that snot. That's what we're looking for. So I'm gonna let it go probably for another 5 minutes, just to make sure. And then after that, the next step is going to be really hands-on. So you want to let this cool. Let it cool completely down. I would say let this cool completely down for at least a good 20 minutes. I want to say 30, but I let mine sit and cool for a while, and then we're going to come back so I can show you the last step, okay? Super easy. Okay. This is the hands-on part, okay? What you're gonna need is a nice little wide cup, something wide. I like to use a measuring cup. You're gonna need a pantyhose, or I guess this could be considered like a stocking. Pantyhose stocking. You're gonna need one of these, okay? And you're gonna need something to put your gel in. Now, the best thing for you to use to put your gel in is an applicator bottle. I have two examples here. This one is really small because I don't make that much. Or this one. Something with these little pointy spouts that makes it easier for us to use when it's time to use the gel. Okay, so now let's get into this hands-on step. Let's see if this is a good location.
I told you I'd be back in the next video.
Oh my god.
What is that?
It's something for you.
It feels like slime. Can I feel it?
No. I also wanted to show y'all how it looks when it's cooled down, so you can see what you're looking for. And you can kind of see what happens is the flax seeds actually bust open. The flax seeds will actually bust open, and that's what's inside. Okay, so let's go. We'll pour this in.
It's not moving.
It's not moving because it's Okay, my stocking popped, so party's over. Your stocking pops, that's it, because you don't want these flax seeds to get into there. So I'm gonna use the gel I got, and no more squeezing for me. I was trying to be too fast with it. You gotta be gentle while pushing it out. This is the first time that's ever happened to me too. I'm sad. Cause it's probably a lot more gel up in here. But yeah. This gotta go now. Gel. Now when I'm using it, the reason why I said the applicator bottle is the best one, because when you're using it, it's so thick and it's basically a big glob of like some flubber. So this helps when you want to put some on your hand, and that's it. You feel me? Decide how much you want, because a little bit truly goes a long way. Stopped, or is it still going? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use this on Jelani later because her hair really loves it. But the way that I keep up with it, because this will last us a long time because I don't use it that much and I don't have much hair now. But yes, keep it in the refrigerator. That's the best way. I tried it, adding some stuff to it, like what I thought was natural preservatives, but it still didn't work. So keep this in the refrigerator. This is real deal. 1 ingredient flaxseed gel for natural hair, all curl patterns. This is perfect for us. Like, it has such a great hold. I love this gel. Okay, but yes, thank y'all for watching. See you in the next video, and comment below if you have any questions.